Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about a new iOS app called Arc Search from a company called The Browser. Arc Search takes search in a really different direction. Instead of just showing you a list of links when you search something, it actually browses the web for you and builds a custom web page with the answer. For example, when I asked what happened in the Chiefs game, Arc Search went and read a bunch of pages about the game, and then showed me a summary with the score, key plays, and other highlights. It's like having your own personal AI assistant go read a bunch of sites and then tell you what it learned. The company calls this browse for me instead of traditional search. Now, it's not perfect yet. Sometimes the sources aren't cited well and the info could be more tailored. But it's a really cool concept and works surprisingly well already. As the AI improves, so will Arc Search. This is part of the company's bigger vision for its Arc browser. They see search, browsers, AI bots, and websites all merging into one app that finds info for you. There are definitely important questions around how Arc will work with publishers, cite sources properly, and more. But from a pure product standpoint, this feels like a glimpse at how AI could redefine search and browsing. Rather than just links, it builds you a custom site with the information you asked for. When you wonder what time the Super Bowl starts, it tells you the time, place, performers, and more in one glance. I'm excited to see where Arc Search goes from here, and how it might shape the future of search and browsing. Let me know what you think about this idea in the comments.